Hi, lovelies. Ever had one of those mornings where you're running late, your hair is a mess, and you have literally no time to fix it? You grab a brush, try to do something quick, but somehow it just looks worse. Well, don't worry, because today I've got your back. I'm going to show you super quick, stylish, and effortless hairstyles that you can do in just 5 minutes. Perfect for work, college, or any day when you need to look put together in no time. Let's get started. 1. Part your hair slightly to one side and take a section from the upper part. Tie it into a ponytail using a rubber band, then braid the ponytail and gently loosen each strand for a fuller look. On the opposite side of the braid, create a small mini braid while leaving the rest of the hair open. Now, repeat the same steps on the other side for a balanced style. Finally, curl the front strands for a soft, elegant touch. 2. Take a small section of hair from the front and start twisting it, adding a little more hair as you go along until you reach the end. Secure it with a rubber band, then create a bubble braid by tying rubber bands at small intervals and gently pulling each section to add volume. Repeat the same steps on the other side for a stylish and effortless look. 3. Start by parting your hair evenly. Then, take a small section from the middle of each side to create mini braids, securing them with a rubber band. Brush the remaining hair and gather it into a ponytail, incorporating the mini braids with some of your back hair. Smooth everything down with a bit of gel. Next, divide the ponytail into 2 braids at the back, leaving some strands open, and finish by securing the style with a cute claw clip. 4. Start by parting your hair into 2 sections. Take some hair from the front on both sides and clip them away so they don't mix with the rest. Also, secure some back hair with a clip or band to keep it separate. Now, take the front sections you set aside and tie them into 2 ponytails at the top of the back section. Braid both ponytails neatly. Next, beside each ponytail, create 3 mini braids on both sides for a stylish and detailed look. 5. Take a small section of hair from the middle and secure it with a rubber band. Gently twist that section for a neat look. Then, take some hair from both sides, gather them into a ponytail, and twist it as well before tightening it securely. Let some strands fall naturally on both sides for a soft touch, while keeping the remaining hair open and flowing beautifully. 6. For short hair, take small sections from both sides at the back and secure them with a rubber band. Gently twist the section for a soft look. Then, take a little more hair from both sides, tuck them into the twist, and secure everything with a mini clip for a chic and effortless style. 7. Part your hair into sections and take a portion from one side, leaving a few strands out. Create a braid and gently loosen the strands for a fuller look. On the other side, make a mini braid and loosen it slightly as well. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Then, take the mini braids from both sides, bring them to the back, and secure them at the top of your head like a crown using pins for an elegant finish. 8. Apply hair gel for a sleek finish and gather all your hair into a high ponytail at the back. From the ponytail, create 2 braids and gently loosen the strands for a fuller look. Then, twist both braids together and wrap them into a bun. Secure it firmly with a rubber band for a neat and stylish finish. 9. For curly hair, take a few strands from the front and lightly spray them with hairspray to set the shape. Then, gather hair from both sides at the top and create a soft twist. Secure it while keeping the curls defined, and let a few strands fall naturally on both sides for a soft, effortless look. 10. Part your hair into sections and take a small section from the front on one side. Secure it with a rubber band and create a twist. Just below it, make a mini braid and tuck it into the ponytail, securing it with a pin for a neat look. Tighten everything properly. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Once both sides are done, take the ponytails from both sides, tie them together with a rubber band, and make a twist. Finally, add a cute ribbon for a stylish and elegant finish. And that's it, girls. 10 quick and stylish hairstyles done in minutes. Let me know your favorite in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.